Hi, I'm Ashley Matthews from Pierlite. Today, I'm going to introduce to you our brand new backlit eco panel. This backlit panel was the first available in the market, and the 12x3 version is 27 watts. The LEDs are located at the back of the panel, allowing less stress on the LED chips, which allows the panel to distribute heat better. And the panel has a more even light distribution. It's available in all sizes, 3x6, 12x3, and 12x6. It is colour select, or it has a single colour 4000K available in the 12x3 version. A low glare UGR 19 option is also available. Dimmable drivers are available on request, as are surface mount kits and recessing kits. So to get a hold of one of these backlit eco panels, go to your local electrical wholesaler. For any further info, get in touch with Pierlite or your local area manager. Thanks for watching.